Galactic Explorers, the incredible story of the Starlight Voyager.
Once upon a time, in a faraway galaxy, there was a group of clever scientists and their furry companions. They faced a big problem on their planet called Xanthea. They were running out of important things like food and water. But they had a clever plan to help everyone. They built a gigantic spaceship called the Starlight Voyager, which could travel through space. It was like a fantastic flying home. The scientists and their furry friends embarked on an incredible journey to find a new home for everyone. They soared through the stars, discovering incredible things and meeting friendly aliens on their way. They even found a special planet named Eden Prime, where the grass was greener than the greenest grass you've ever seen, and the sky was bluer than the bluest sky in your dreams. Everyone was so happy. They built new houses, and had fun playing in the sparkling rivers. The furry friends made lots of new friends with the creatures of Eden Prime, and they all lived happily together. Back on Xanthea, the people remembered their brave friends and the Starlight Voyager. They learned that they could explore new places and make new friends too, and so, the spirit of adventure spread throughout the galaxy. Children dreamed of flying among the stars, just like the heroes of the Starlight Voyager, and they learned that by exploring, they could discover new things and make the world a brighter place.
Word meanings from the story. Explorer meaning a person who explore a new area. Companions meaning a person or an animal with whom one spends a lot of time or travels. Running out meaning become empty. Gigantic meaning very great size. Incredible meaning impossible to believe. Voyager meaning traveler. Embark meaning start a journey. Soared meaning fly high in the air. Sparkling meaning shining brightly with flashes or light. Discover meaning find something or someone unexpectedly.